What's up, y'all? So I got two things for you guys. I know some of y'all know about this car right here. This is the one that started it all, the OG GTI from the beginning, and yes, it's coming back to the channel, and this is why. What the hell? I got ratchet straps everywhere, but long story short, the motor mount bolts on the passenger side failed. That bolt stripped off the motor mount, and then this one right here snapped off. And all of this happened when my brother was driving it. So basically, bolt snap, motor dropped to the ground, putting a hole in the oil pan. You can see it's still leaking some oil. Instead of calling a tow truck, we had to get all these ratchet straps, pull the motor off the ground, and it's still holding, surprisingly. And we had to tow this thing home, and it's just a big mess. So we're gonna build the bottom end on this GTI and slap on this. This is a Garrett GT2871. Old turbo's coming off. We're pulling the whole motor and we are rebuilding it. So yeah, that's pretty much what's gonna happen this year. We're gonna be spending time rebuilding this motor. Just the bottom end, possibly the head. We're not too sure yet, but yeah, it's coming back. Even though there's gonna be a lot of work on this GTI, I'm still gonna work on the Jetta. I got another project for y'all.
Another one.
Oh yes, we got another one. Now for this spare motor, we're gonna do something a little different than the GTI. It's still going big turbo and internals are getting done. The only difference is that this will be rebuilt with a stroker kit from Integrated Engineering. I was thinking about rebuilding the head, but that's if I ever find a large port head, which was the AEB. Right now it's got an AWP head on it, which is the small port. You guys will probably not see this motor in the Jetta this year, but hit that notifications because I will be doing a full DIY on building this stroker motor from beginning to end. So that means complete teardown, top to bottom, installing new rods, bearings, pistons, and all that required. Other than seeing this built, there will be a lot of projects for the Jetta, so keep an eye out. Other than that, see you guys on the next one.